She's royal, yeah, so royal.
Grab your ticket to get, don't get me. Hey guys, it's your girl, She's Real 85, and today, I'm with it. See? Hey guys, it's your girl, She's Real 85, and today I want to show you guys my locks. It has been, it's so embarrassing, but it has been 3 months since I washed my hair. 3 months. Now, I know that sounds really, really gross, and it probably is really, really gross, but literally, I haven't been feeling well. If you guys saw my last video, you guys know that I am pregnant, and upon being pregnant, like my first trimester was really hard for me, and I was really sick, just morning sickness, which I don't know why they call it morning sickness, because that shit, excuse my language, is morning, noon, and night sickness. That my morning sickness was extreme, so I just kind of neglected everything. My house, my head, my skin, like it was just really bad. So yeah, it's been 3 months, and I wanted to show you guys what it looked like. Now, I'm scared to show you guys what it looks like because honestly, I don't even know what it looks like. I haven't let it down. So I do know that it's gonna be really like flaky, you know, maybe dandruff. I mean, because it hasn't been washed. But I will say that my hair does, I don't know, because it hasn't really been, well, it's been free, like, but in the ponytail, and it doesn't stink. I would say my scalp isn't like on fire, it's not itchy. It's no indication that I need to wash it, but the fact that it's been 3 months, you know, that I want to wash it. So here we go, guys. I'm gonna take this scarf off so you guys can see. Okay, this is the satin bonnet. And then this is the ponytail. Like, and to put my hair in a ponytail, I use another like scarf. So it's not tight. I just wrap it around a few times. And I leave it alone. Okay. So y'all, this is it. And it's, as y'all can see, it's like really growing, like it's really long. So yeah, you guys, like, here we go. I'm about to get up close and personal with y'all. So, look at this, like you see, like this white stuff, like it really needs to be washed, like, ooh, ooh, ooh. I haven't separated these things. So look, they're like jumbled together. They need to be separated. They need some moisture. Like, they are hot on. Yo, look at my Congo. I don't know the last time y'all saw my Congo, but like it's growing out. So like it's like mad fat right here, and like, but it's still, this is the foundation, so it's a thick foundation. It's just not as thick as it was. But you guys, this is the nastiness that I call my locks. This is the back. So as you can see, guys, they're growing. They're really growing. I just need to wash them. My babies. Yo. I feel like Bob Marley. Okay, so with my locks, like I like to wear like a swoop. I have a natural part, if I could get to it, y'all, because like I said, stuff is not separated. But my natural part is right here. So this is it, guys. 17 months of growth and 3 months of not washing or doing anything to it. Now, I follow this lady called Yanni the Lockologist, and she's so dope, y'all. If she knew I haven't washed my hair in 3 months, she would probably be proud of me, because she doesn't wash her hair that often either, especially in the wintertime. She will skip the whole winter season without washing her hair. But she was telling me, or in one of her videos, she was saying that if you're freeforming, sometimes your new growth won't go into a lock and it goes everywhere else. So I'm fortunate to have most of my new growth. Let's just check this out. Most of my new growth will go into the lock it's supposed to go into. Granted, I have to separate, but I was looking at this piece of hair. This is the stuff that don't act right. So this stuff has to go into a lock, but it hasn't. So that's when you take it personally and you figure out how to put it in there. But I honestly don't care. So I just been, since this is the only patch, I just kind of go like this or brush it, because the rest of it is doing what it's supposed to do. But y'all, I don't want to freak y'all out. I'm not gonna get in here like this too much, because it's just so dirty. I just wanted to show y'all what it looked like, and I'm actually surprised on what it looked like too, because like I said, it's been in the whole ponytail, and I would say that ponytail made my hair come out like a little bob or something. It made it look like a little wrap. But yes guys, next time I'm gonna come with my hair, maybe show y'all before and after of what it'll look like after it's washed, and you know, do a hot oil treatment. And I usually do my hot oil treatments with olive oil and coconut oils together. So yeah guys, this video isn't gonna be too long. I just wanted to show y'all that neglecting your hair for 3 months, you know, might just make it grow, because it got a little hang time, a little bit, but it's dirty. So I gotta wash it, and it's kind of dry, but it is dry. I see it. So yeah, you guys have a great day. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Thanks guys. Bye.